Hi my friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I have very exciting new product to share with you. As you know, Chinese New Year is coming up, so this is my way to celebrate my heritage by launching this Enchanted Garden Asian inspired washi and PET tape set. This is my first time launch. This is the second time I launched some sort of box, but it's my first time to launch a PET/washi set box. So very exciting. Stay tuned. Let's take a look. I don't know if you have take a look at the Chic Chronicle. This is the first time I launched the seasonal PET box set. It features like 4 seasons from spring, summer, fall, and winter. And then in this beautiful box, it's called Chic Chronicle. I launched this last year. We almost sold out of it, so we still should have a small amount of left. I will put the link down below. But our brand new star is this Enchanted Garden Asian inspired washi and PET set. You can see from the title, it's about the Asian like inspired patterns, elements. So that's what I put in this 4 sets. So first we have this, I'll take them out. We got 2 pre-cut PET tapes. They are beautiful, just like what we did previously. Any other PET tape, they are pre-cut, matte finish. And then we have, for the first time, we have 2 big washi roll that's feature beautiful Asian inspired pattern. Going to open them and we will take a look. Let's start with the PET. The very first one is called Sakura Paradise. Features, as you see, the tea set, beautiful sakura, the lantern, and this like little boat. It's super. It reminds me so many movies that I grew up watching. That features very similar elements. And the fan, beautiful sakura fan, the birds, like the frame you can use to decorate or write something in the middle, and the little bridge. So I love this. It's called Sakura Paradise pre-cut PET tape that's in this set. And the second one is called the Porcelain and the Bird. So feature beautiful those type of porcelain, and the peony. As you can see, the flowers kind of, it looks like peony, and the birds. So I picked the best combination that I can think of to put them together. I think this type of indigo blue and this type of pink sakura, they really go together. And then that's the 2 PET tape in this set. And then we also have 2 big 65, they all 65 millimeters. So big 65 millimeter washi tape. That's perfect for the background. This one's called the Eden. That's like a Eden garden, but Asian version, I guess. They feature beautiful. I think it's also the sakura flower. It tied back to the sakura that we done earlier, but in a big, perfect for the background. If you are, or even like decorate a book cover or anything you need a like big decorative sticker, this can be a great option. And the last one is called Blue Garden. It features crane. It's a very like graceful, elegant, and a magical creature. Not creature, but animal. In Asian culture, that's like, it's like magical thing. If you saw one, means you're gonna have good luck. So this one's called Blue Garden, feature those like called Temple, Crane, Floral. I love this vibe, aesthetic that gave it to us. So it's beautifully expressed. Love this big roll also. So they're all the same, 65mm, but with different purpose. This is like washi, so it has that white background. You just have to like peel it, and then it's gonna get stick. So next, let's do a quick journal with me with this brand new Enchanted Garden set. Along with the Enchanted Garden, I'll also use Asian Love Planner sticker pack that I launched 2 years ago. That is super popular and is perfect for this spread. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoy this journal with me. I'm look forward to fill it up for our celebration Lunar New Year this year in February. And you can grab this brand new PET and washi set in my shop. I will put the link down below. And let me know if you celebrating Lunar New Year also. If so, what's your favorite way to celebrate? I will see you soon.